Welcome back, viewers. Today, we're diving into the world of top-notch TV mounts, and I've got something truly exceptional to share with you. Feast your eyes on the Mounting Dream TV wall mount for 32 to 65-inch TVs. A true game-changer in the realm of OLED TV mounts. This isn't just any ordinary mount. It's the best OLED TV wall mount you can find on the market today. With its robust construction and versatile features, it's a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their viewing experience. Let's talk about what sets this mount apart from the rest. First off, its universal compatibility means it's suitable for most 32 to 65-inch TVs, with a maximum VISA of 400 by 400 mm. Whether you've got a smaller screen or a larger one, this mount has you covered. But what really makes this mount shine is its full motion capabilities. Thanks to its articulating dual arms, you can tilt your TV up 5 degrees and down 15 degrees to reduce glare and achieve the perfect viewing angle. Plus, with a swivel range of plus or minus 45 degrees, you can adjust your TV to suit your seating position, no matter where you're sitting in the room. And let's not forget about installation. With clear instructions, pre-labeled hardware, and a handy paper template, setting up this mount is a breeze. Plus, with plus or minus 3 degrees post-installation adjustment, you can ensure your TV is perfectly level every time. But don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about the Mounting Dream TV wall mount, praising its sturdy construction, ease of installation, and overall quality. It's no wonder it's earned a stellar 4.8-star rating with over 38,000 reviews. So there you have it, folks, the Mounting Dream TV wall mount for 32 to 65-inch TVs. If you're in the market for the best OLED TV wall mount money can buy, look no further. Trust me, once you experience the convenience and versatility of this mount, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy mounting!